Hey, welcome back guys. Now let's talk about how you can change the battery in this GMC Sierra key fob here. It works for these models 2019 and 2022 and you don't need any fancy tools, you just need only one battery like this 2032 and you can find this battery everywhere and also a small flat screwdriver. And now when you're ready, let's begin with the tutorial. The first thing you need to do is hold the key like this and right on this side, right here, you see a small button. Now you need to press this button and this way here you can very easily pull this mechanical key out. Now when you remove this mechanical key over here and when you hold the fob like this with the buttons facing down and the back piece here is facing up, right on this side you see this small hole. Now when you find this hole, take this mechanical key and with the tip only insert the tip only right here, right in this hole, and when you insert it, just twist it a little bit, push up, and this way this will crack open, and this way you can very easily separate this fob like this into two pieces like this. So when you separate it into two pieces, right after that on this side you see your old dead battery. Now to remove the battery, it's very easy. Just take the small flat screwdriver and insert the tip right here or here, it doesn't matter, and just push the battery outside. Now when you remove the battery here in the same place, just insert your new battery and also make sure this side here is the negative side. This here is the negative side. Alright, this step here is very important. Now when you place the new battery over here, take these two pieces again. Make sure here to align them perfectly like this. See, all corners have to match perfectly, everything have to fit together nicely, and just snap them together, just like this. And when you snap them together, right after that, take this mechanical key again and put it back inside the fob, just like in the beginning, and right after that, your key will be ready. You don't need to do anything else after that. It will just work fine. Okay guys, I hope you find this video useful, and take care.